Ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Steady now. Good. Next one. Scales ready? Go ahead. Logging 30.2 kilos, grade A. Next one.
The quality grade on the banana trunk requires skilled, precise labor. The worker's attention to detail is evident in the clean strokes.
Pressure stable at 45, temperature optimal at 65. Adjusting flow rate, confirming cycle integrity.
Beneath the washing station, this system recycles water through filtration, cutting waste and promoting sustainable industrial practices.
Adjusting the target thickness to 0.55 millimeters. Calibrating now, the system confirms optimization. Adjusting zone 1 to 180, zone 2 to 195, zone 3 to 210, confirmed.
See this imperfection here?
Yes, a flaw in the weave.
Mark it for review.
Observe the softness and drape of this finished fabric. Notice how it flows. This demonstrates its high-quality texture. Stretching the waistband to check elasticity. Now testing the seam strength. No tears. Durability is good. Waistband stitching is precise, no puckering.
Button attachment is secure under tension. Internal buckle is aligned and reinforced. This control chart tracks production quality metrics over time. A positive trend is detected, showing continuous improvement. Pack of 3 underwear, placing in box, arranging neatly, checking the label. Holds all the banana fiber underwear. Stock levels are optimal. Just verifying this batch. This aisle holds all the banana fiber underwear. Stock levels are optimal. Just verifying this batch now. Scanning box 1. Next box. Scanning box 3.
Initiating final inspection on outgoing shipment. All checks passed. Shipment is approved for delivery.
Begins on the farm, where fresh ingredients are harvested. Next, they're processed and transformed, then packaged, and finally, stocked.
We're proud of our sustainable work here.
Every product we make has a positive impact.
It's great to see us make a difference.
That's the human element in it.